Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4 Greenpoint Trail in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular designer showcase ranch townhome bordering Locust Hill Country Club.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is newer and luxurious one-floor living with a designer's flair, featuring a spacious foyer with a transom window and side light, open to the family room with built-ins and a shiplap wall, and a cathedral ceiling great room with a gourmet kitchen with soft close wellborn cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, leathered granite countertops, and an expansive center island breakfast bar. Open to the living area with a wall of windows and a gas fireplace with a decorative accent wall and mantel, and a dining area with deck access and a picture window, all with beautiful hardwood floors and golf course views.
Relax and pamper yourself in this vaulted ceiling owner's suite with golf course views, a walk-in closet, and gorgeous bathroom with a double vanity and tile shower. The first floor also features a separate bedroom wing with a guest bedroom highlighting an accent wall, full bathroom, laundry, and an executive office. Plus room for expandability with a lower level with rough plumbing and egress windows. This quality-built townhome by Morrell Builders features spectacular craftsmanship, design, and maintenance-free living so you can spend your time on the golf course or your favorite activity.
Sit back and relax overlooking the golf course. With an expansive covered deck, perfect for summer dinners, and spacious patio, great for entertaining. All overlooking the Locust Hill Country Club with scenic ponds and fountains.
Get a hole-in-one at the Locust Hill Country Club.
This townhome has a premier and rare location bordering Locust Hill Country Club, yet minutes to the Pittsford Y, University of Rochester Medical Center, and the quaint village of Pittsford.
Here we are in Showing Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4 Greenpoint Trail in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!